Well, the worker duckies are here today. Let's figure out what they're going to do. I wonder what this is. Oh, do you hear that sound? I hear a truck coming. I wonder what it's going to do. It's a load of jelly beans. It looks like it's going to load this up. Wow, there it goes. It's off to get some more. Those are green jelly beans. Oh, here comes another load. What color is these? Looks like red to me. Oh, I hear another truck. What color are these? Looks like purple. Here we go. Here we go. What color are these ones? They look like orange. Wow. Here comes another load. What color are these? They look like yellow. What color are these? Black, that's right, black. Wow. Whee. What color are these? That's right, they're red jelly beans. What color are these? Purple, that's right. What color are these? That's right, they're orange. What color are these? That's right, yellow. What color are these? Black. That's right. What color are these? Green. That's right. I hope you enjoyed our jelly beans today. I'll see you guys next time. Whee!